We have with us Mariana Malышeva, the commercial manager of Alecon Cargo. Mariana, who is your Alecon group? What you are doing?
Hello, Raivo. Alecon Cargo is classic and long-experienced warehouse keeper in Estonia. We are located near Võmuga port and have a good connection with railway. We offer a full range of services, warehouse and logistical services.
Who are your clients?
Our clients are forwarders and manufacturers who work with Russia, Ukraine, Kazakhstan, and our CIS countries. As well, we work with Europe also.
So you have about 13 years of experience with a particular region, which is not an easy one.
Yes.
What kind of cargo is the most flowing through your terminal? What kind of?
It's a container cargo, also by truck. We have such work like delivering containers from Muuga. We have own trucks and handle with it on our terminal, like palletizing, weighing, packaging, labeling, and so on. We can offer also fumigation if some cargo needed it. And we offer for our clients also assist in formalization of custom documents and like TIR, CMR, SMGS. We can solve every problem if client asks.
On top of containerized goods, you are also working with oversized cargo. It looks like a different kind of business a bit.
Yes, we offer for our clients such possibilities. We work with oversized cargo often. And our heaviest part that we have transferred from truck to railway platform weighed 50 tons. And we are very proud of it.
Speaking of railway cargo, you are working a lot with railway cargo because in this polygon of CIS countries, railway is the most important transportation mode. So am I correct?
Yes.
And it's Russian gauged?
Yes, also.
Mariana, what is the catch of your company?
We have two catches. One of this, it's oversized cargo, because not each warehouse can offer such service. And another one, it's a veterinary permit. Only two custom warehouses in Estonia have veterinary permit that allows clients to handle with meat and fish.
What are your future plans?
Our future plans is to develop our electronic accounting system that allows our client to see their balances anytime from any part of the world. And also we want to make an excise warehouse because we have a client who works with excise cargos and we want to use our services widely.
Perfect. We wish you all the best.
Thank you.